We were doing an exercise in Yuma, and we got hit by a sandstorm, and then it started raining at the same time. Our tent was falling apart. I think none of us saw that coming, and we had to adapt. Weather can stop the mission from proceeding. Weather can also play a huge role in tactics. So our mission is to ensure that weather is in our favor. We're on the more technical side of the weather section of the Marine Corps. I'd simply say that I'm a technician. I work on weather equipment. So we provide the upkeep and preventative maintenance. We make sure the weather gear is operational. Every mission has a timeline. Every mission's success depends on that timeline. We make sure to monitor weather, and then we also report that to our troops on the ground, in the air. You have to understand that the job's not easy. You're gonna be working with a team. You're always learning. You're not gonna know everything. I enjoy hands-on, especially with this job, because I'm a visual learner, so hands-on is kind of the only way I learn anything. I think to be the best Marine in this MOS, you have to be well-rounded, balanced, and committed. We are the ones that make sure those aircraft come home, those troops come home. We are the ones that make sure that all possible odds are in our favor. We are that supporting role. And to me, that is a big role.